Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hanif Nurdin Jabbar with student ID number 20,024,32,042. Okay, here I will demonstrate two practicum. First practicum is scraping with web scraper extension, and second practicum scraping with Jupyter Notebook. Okay, first practicum, I chose quotes to scrape website for scraping. And first step, I click right mouse and click inspect and click web scraper extension. Wait a minute. Nah, and next step is create new sitemap. I will name it is quote data. And URL is URL from quotes to scrap, copy and paste. Because I scrap for page 1 to 5, I recreate this URL and 1 to 5 and click it sitemap. Next, I need to create a parent selector, which acts as the main container for each code block. I click add new selector and I name the ID is quote wrapper. And for type, I choose element scroll and I select box content, and second box content I click again and click down selecting, and I choose multiple and click save selector. Now I will click into the code wrapper to create the child selector. This is where I specify the exact data I want to extract from inside that box. We need three things. First is text quote, second is name author, and third is tag. Okay, first click add new selector and I'll name ID is text and type same text and select this text quote and click down selecting and click save selector again, add new selector again, and I'll name ID is author and type same text and select for name author and click down selecting and click save selector and add new selector again for the tag. I'll name ID is tag and type text and select this tag and click down selecting and save selector. With the setup complete, it is time to run the scraper. I'll open the sitemap and scrape. I will leave the request interval setting at their default values and click start scraping. With progress for scraping website. If you start scraping, akan wait a minute. Nah, and done. Once the scraping is done, I need to export sitemap, and this my this for generate the JSON format of my scraper configuration. Okay, and done for first practicum. Next is second practicum with Jupyter Notebook. First step, I import a library, and then I use for library. First library is import request. This library is used to send HTTP request to the target URL. And next, library CSV for a built-in Python library used to handle comma spread values CSV files. And library Beautiful Soap for this is an HTML parsing library. And the last library is library Pandas for a powerful library for data analysis and manipulation. Okay, next is uh, hasil underscore scraping for create an empty list to store all the scrap data, and then I use looping for page. This loop through page 1 to 5, and soap equal beautiful swap response.text html.parser for parser the HTML content using beautiful swap with the standard HTML parser, and quote blocks on equal sub dot find underscore all. It's HTML tag analysis. The main container for each quote is a div with the class quote. And for a block in quote blocks is first text underscore element equal block dot find span class text for extract the quote text, and author element equal block dot find small class equal author for extract the author's name, and text underscore element equal block dot find div class equal text for find the text container first, then find all individual tag links inside it. And text underscore string is combine multiple tag elements into a single comma spread string. And scraped underscore data dot append for append the three extract data points into the list as a dictionary. Okay, and the output is success for scrape page 1 to 5, and then for page find 10 data, and the total data is 15. Next is nama underscore file underscore csv for define the output csv file name, and with open csv underscore file name w new line and coding utf-8 as csv file for open the file in write mode, and file names quote author text for define exactly 3 column field names, and writer dot write header write the column header to the first row, and for item in script data for loop through the list and write its dictionary as a row in the csv, and the output is success. And data uh, and data has been exported to CSV file name is quote to scrape 1 to 5.csv. Okay. Next is read the display the result using pandas. This df equal pd.read underscore csv for read the newly created csv file, and df for display the data frame to verify the 3 columns. And output is 3 column is quote, author, and text. Okay, that's all for second practicum is scraping with Jupyter. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.